Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuraikla binti Muhammad Nur Halim. I am from B1. So today I am going to deliver my opinion speech. Have you guys ever heard about Miss World, Miss Universe or Miss USA? So today I am going to give my opinion regarding beauty contests. And in my opinion, beauty contests are degrading because they degrade women to mere objects. The sponsor exploit women by requiring them to parade on stage in swimsuit or even lingerie. They are judged mainly on their physical appearance rather than on any other qualities that they may have possessed. Second, when the women parade themselves on stage, the judges will look at a number of things, but the most important criteria will probably be poise. They have to be poised. So in order to achieve poise, a woman's body should be well proportioned. Having a neck proportioned to their height, having leg proportionate to their body, and having a proportionate body curve. So this process of evaluating poise, in my opinion, can be compared to dogs competition where they kick out those wrong bodily proportion dogs out of the competition. I feel judging women primarily on their looks are degrade womanhood. Moreover, beauty contest project unrealistically thin image of ideal women in the eyes of the public. As it is, we already bombarded with such silly standard by the mass media where they show ads of beautiful women with tall, thin and long, slender leg. So, do we really need a beauty pageant to further aggravate the situation? A Johns Hopkins study has shown that more than half of Miss America pageant winners are underweight, with a body mass index of 18.5. That is not normal body mass index. So insecure women who watch the pageant are bound to develop a false body image and may even become anorexic or bulimic just to look like those beauty queens. Myself, being a Muslim, I feel beauty contests like that violate some religious and cultural practices because we Muslim women are obliged to cover our aura and dress modestly. So I consider Western style beauty contests are as immoral because the female participants are typically not dressed modestly. This really degrades women in the eyes of conservative society. Lastly, when the winner wears a crown and reigns for a year, she is actually being exploited to do cheap promotions for the sponsors who make use of her to promote their products until they see it fit to replace her with some other beauties. It's like they use the beauty queens for their benefits. And to summarize all of that, the reason why I think that beauty contest degrades women because they treat women as mere object. They judge women based on physical appearances only, and because it is contradict from Islam, and because they use those women for their own benefit. So for all those reasons given, I find beauty contests degrading to women. Every woman is beautiful in their own way. They do not have to take part in beauty contests to make others appreciate them more and tell them that they are beautiful, because they are beautiful just the way they are as long as they accept themselves. So that is all. Thank you.